Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube description link not working. If you're experiencing issue with links in YouTube video descriptions not working, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. You can also check the link format. Make sure the link in the video descriptions are properly formatted with HTTP at the beginning. Incorrectly formatted links may not work, and you could also try updating your YouTube app. Go back, go to the Play Store, select look out for the YouTube app and ensure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube app on your mobile device, and there will be an update showing you option. Simply tap on that to update. You could also try clear the cache and cookies. Go back and press the YouTube app like this and go to the app information. Select storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Simply tap on that. Clearing your cache can sometimes resolve with issues of functionality, and then you can also try reloading the YouTube app. And if the links are still not working after trying these steps, there may be a broader issue with YouTube that requires attention from their technical team. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix YouTube description link not working. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.